Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911. We have already a series on CSM which is going on. So let me add one more video to that one. Let me share my screen. So this is the complete series which we have right now. Total 5 videos are there. I hope you have watched all these. Okay, so now it's time to do the demo in PDI. Okay, so what I will do here, I will show you today what application I have installed and how to install, what all plugins are there to install. Okay, so you see this is the application customer service. Here you see everything with respect to customer service management. Cases are there, escalations, customer, contract, products, manager, administration, case types, all these things are there already. Okay, so this is customer service and there is one more customer central. So this is also something which we have to discuss one by one. Okay, so how to come here? Let me go to the application navigator, go to favorites, click on all applications. So here you just have to click on your product, and our product is customer service management, this one. And then you have to come to family plugins. I have already installed it. Okay, so I will go to the installed one. You will find it here only, okay, in the available for you. But I have installed, that's why it is coming here for me. Scroll down, click on view more. Here you see customer service, okay. This is the application which is installed, okay. This is the plugin ID. You can search by this also, com.sn_customer service. Okay, so with this, all these things will get loaded, which is necessary for running of this application, okay. So after this, once this is installed, you will notice that all the tables here in customer service are empty. No demo data was installed there. Okay, so for that, you have to go to this plugin. It is again come under the same family plugin. Okay, search it here. Just copy the name com.snc.customerservice.demo. Okay, enter. You see under installed, we have one here. This is customer service management demo data. So to see the demo data, you have to install this plugin. I'm not sure why they have given it separately, but it's okay. We have it here, right? So I have installed it already. I have loaded the data and now every data is coming in my application. Okay. So with this, I'm done with this video. So just get it installed. Then I will come up with a superb explanation of this complete CSM in a very, very simple short video. Okay. And explain each and every aspect of this CSM. So wait for the video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.